Okay, welcome back guys. Mga kayarn, ito na ang legs natin. Round 1, make 7 chains. Tayo anat muna for pinakauna gagawin. Then 7 chains. Magiging base ng paa natin 6 chains lang talaga. So yung pang 7 chain yung mag-start ng round 1. Okay, after ng 7 chains, single crochet tayo on 6 chain. And then after ng first single crochet, 4 single crochet. Yan. Okay, 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet, 3 single crochet, and 4 single crochet. A total of 5 single crochet. Then the last chain should be an increase. So mag-increase tayo dito sa last chain. One, same chain or stitch. 2, okay, that's an increase. Next increase, sa kabilang side lang, first chain, kabilang side lang. So ito, ingat lang kayo dito, malito kayo, pero okay lang din naman kung same lang na chain yung gawa nyo ng increase. Okay, 1, and same stitch or chain, increase tayo. Okay, that's 2 increase. Then make 5 single crochet on the next chain, on the second chain. Okay, single crochet in the second chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 na tayo dito. Sorry guys, medyo maraming sounds sa background. Ayan yung pang 5th, yung last chain na ginawa natin kanina, yung 6th chain. Okay, so close natin to, no? A total of 14 single crochet. Dun sa ating first single crochet, dun tayo magka-close. Slip stitch. Okay, slip stitch. After ng slip stitch, chain. Okay, for round 2, we'll make 3 slip stitch. Ito yung magiging parang dulo ng paa ni Elmo. Okay, 1 slip stitch. Medyo masisikip nga lang siya, so luwagan niya na konti. 1 slip stitch, then second slip stitch, And pang third slip stitch natin on third single crochet, and then make 3 single crochet after ng 3 slip stitch. Okay, single crochet na to guys. 1, 2, and 3. 3 single crochet mga ka-yarn, and then after that increase ulit tayo on the next 2 single crochet. 2 times tayo mag-increase. Same sa round 1 natin, yung last single crochet yung may increase. Last 2 single crochet. Okay. Okay, 1. Increase, same stitch. So next stitch, increase again, 1 and 2, same stitch. That's 2 increase. Then after that, repeat natin yung 3 single crochet. Okay, 1 and 2 and 3 single crochet. So ito na siya, medyo ito na yung parang palad ng foot niya. Then next, same sa first na ginawa natin, 3 slip stitch, 1, 2, 3 slip stitch. We have a total of 6 slip stitch sa dulo ng paahan ni Elmo. So close natin yung round 2 by doing a slip stitch on the first slip stitch. Okay, huwag kayong malilito dun sa first slip stitch natin, dun tayo mag-close. Medyo mahirap lang to, i-hook nyo na lang ng parang ganito. Palabasin nyo muna yung slip stitch na ginawa natin sa una. So ito na, insert na natin, no? Slip stitch tayo dyan, then chain. So close. Okay, na-close na natin yung round 2. So round 3, 4 bottom loop, back loop, sorry. Okay, 4 back loop. Yan, back loop lang, single crochet 4 times. Back loop nung ito. Back loop nung round 2 natin na naka-slip stitch. So back loop again, 4 times natin gagawin. Back loop, single crochet. Kung nahirapan kayo, pwede nyo ibalik lang, then ulitin nyo lang. And that's 2 back loop, single crochet. On the third slip stitch, make another back loop. Yeah, back loop, single crochet. And the first single crochet after the 3 slip stitch, back loop ulit. For the fourth, back loop, single crochet. Okay, that's our fourth back loop, single crochet. Next, we'll make a back loop decrease 4 times. Back loop lang, ayan, 1 back loop ulit ng next stitch, and 2 stitches, decrease, only the back loop, remember, only the back loop. Okay, that's 1 decrease. Next, okay, ito na. Tapos na natin yung 4 back loop decrease. Next is 4 back loop single crochet. Just like the first 4 back loop single crochet. Okay, 1 back loop on the slip stitch, 2 sa slip stitch. Dyan lang medyo may pagka difficulty, mahirap-hirap, pero malalampasan din yan, parang pagsubok lang yan. Okay, that's ano ba, fourth na ba yan? Wait lang, tama, fourth back loop single crochet, then close natin siya dun sa first single crochet, slip stitch, and then chain. Okay, yan ang itsura nya. Next, yan, ganyan. Round 4, 2 single crochet on the first stitch or the base, 1 2 single crochet, then after the second single crochet, make a decrease 4 times, 1 stitch, second stitch, okay, decrease. Do that 4 times. Then meet ko kayo dun sa, ayan. Okay, dito na tayo. Last 2 single crochet after ng 4 decrease. Okay, close natin si round 4. A total of 8 single crochet. Slip stitch, then chain. Okay, next. Ayan na itsura ng paa natin. Round 5, 2 single crochet again. Okay, 2. Then next is decrease. Okay, 1 second stitch. Okay, decrease. Make the 2 decrease on the next stitch. Okay, 1 2 and decrease. Okay, 2 single crochet on the last 2 stitch, 1 2, then close na natin ulit by doing a slip stitch on the first single crochet, then chain. Okay, that's the round 5, a total of 6 stitch. Ayan, so may hugis na siya, may shape na ng feet like this. Then next natin yung legs nya. From round 6 to round 8, make a 6 single crochet. Meet ko kayo doon. Then ito na siya. Ayan yung itsura pa lang ng ilang rounds pa lang naman to. So for round 9, 3 single crochet, then increase 2 3 single crochet, then increase tayo sa 4th stitch. Parang ulit-ulitin lang natin siya ng round na mag-increase ng 1 stitch. Okay, last 2 single crochet, total of 7. We just add 1 stitch. Okay, close natin siya by doing a slip stitch. and a chain. Okay, for round 10, 7 single crochet. Okay. Ito na siya. Close natin yung round 10. Okay, that's round 10. Just 7 single crochet. Next round, round 11, make 4 single crochet and an increase. Okay, just like round 9, no? And then increase lang. Every 2 rounds ang increase natin. Starting round 9. Okay, increase. Then 2 single crochet. 1 and 2. Then slip stitch to close. Slip stitch in the first stitch. Okay. And then chain. Okay. Okay, in the next round, same as round 10, make 8 single crochet. Okay, gawin lang yun sa round na to. Then, close na lang ulit natin for round 12. Round 13, okay, start na. 5 single crochet. Ayan, every odd number starting round 9, mag-i-increase ng 1. 1 increase. 5 single crochet muna, then increase. Then 2 single crochet after nito. And that's an increase. Then 2 single crochet. Okay. Close natin siya, no? By doing a slip stitch. Slip stitch and then chain. Okay. Make 2 pieces ng legs natin, no? First one, kahit ikat lang ng maikli yung yarn. Basta the next one, don't cut the yarn. We'll make it to stitch on another leg. Okay. See you in the next part. Thank you.